Hello children, welcome to my Fun and Learn channel. Now it's time to listen to the story of R. In a beautiful house lived a rabbit. Hello friends, I am Ruby the rabbit. Ruby has planted red roses in her garden. Look at my lovely red roses. Do you want one? One day, when Ruby was in the garden, she saw a rainbow in the sky. Wow, I love the rainbow. Suddenly, a rocket landed near Ruby. A robot came out from the rocket. My name is Rob the robot. I come from the planet Reason. It started to rain. Rob said, "What is this falling down?" Ruby said, "It's called rain. Run! Don't get wet." Rob said, "You are my friend. This ring is for you." Wow, this is a beautiful rainbow. I will always remember it. Now it's time to hear some words from R. Rabbit, robot, rose, ring, rainbow, radish, race car, ramen, rat, rain.
Time to see how we can write letter R. It's very easy. Come down and the slant. Isn't it so easy? Let's see one more time. Come down and the slant.
Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. So please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.